Hi everyone. Singer, the luxury specialist based in California known for restoring air-cooled Porsche 911, has introduced a new offering called the Dynamics and Lightweighting Study Turbo. This service is a response to requests from Singer's clients and aims to celebrate the victorious 934.5 endurance racers of the 1970s. The DLS Turbo restoration services allow owners to reimagine their Porsche 911 in collaboration with Singer. The restoration process begins when the owner sends their Type 964 Porsche 911 to Singer for personalized restoration. The car is carefully disassembled, and the chassis is assessed, strengthened, and prepared for the restoration process. Carbon fiber bodywork is used to reduce weight and increase stiffness, and aerodynamics are optimized through computational fluid dynamics analysis. Owners have the option to choose a track-focused or road-focused restoration, with different aerodynamic configurations available. Under the hood, the DLS Turbo boasts a Singer-designed 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged 6-cylinder engine with electric wastegates, an air-to-water intercooler, and a horizontally mounted electrically powered fan. This development allows the engine to produce more than 700 horsepower at more than 9,000 RPM. Singer also tailors the driving experience according to each owner's preferences, offering a 6-speed manual transmission, track-oriented suspension, and bespoke dampers. Additional components of the DLS include carbon ceramic brake rotors, and forged magnesium center lock wheels, 19-inch front and 20-inch rear, wrapped in the choice of Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 or Cup Tour tires. Singer will offer the car in two versions, one for track-focused owners in blood orange, and one for street-focused owners in Mote Blanc. Both versions get massive fender flares that make cars look normal, but the track-focused version gets a giant high downforce wing with an adjustable upper element, alongside a different front fascia with a larger splitter. The road-focused version gets a more tame front end and a fixed ducktail spoiler out back. Singer says that owners can request their cars be modified to accept both configurations so they can be switched on the fly depending on the situation. Even better, Singer says clients can also have their Type 964 modified to accept both Aero configurations so that it can be switched for either road or track use. The restoration and modification services enable owners to personalize the exterior and interior presentation of their car according to their personal preferences, through bespoke paint, leather, and material finishes. In conclusion, Singer plans to show the DLS Turbo for the first time at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, happening July 13th to 16th. It'll make its North American debut during Monterey Car Week in August. Pricing has not been released, though it's safe to assume this will be the most expensive Singer offering yet, maybe comfortably exceeding the $2 million. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us. Super thanks, like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.